In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into YouTube in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to upload your video directly from DaVinci Resolve to YouTube, the first thing you need to do is connect your YouTube account inside the export settings. The process is very simple, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment. Start by going to the top right corner of DaVinci Resolve. In that area, you'll find the Quick Export option. Go ahead and click on Quick Export to open the export panel. This is where DaVinci Resolve gives you a few fast ways to render and share your project without having to go through the full advanced delivery setup. Once the Quick Export window opens, look for the Preset section. From here, change the preset to YouTube. This is important because the YouTube sign-in option only appears when the export preset is set specifically to YouTube. If you're currently on a different preset, like a local file export, you may not see the option you need. After switching the preset to YouTube, you should now see a Sign into YouTube option. Click on that and DaVinci Resolve will prompt you to log in. At this point, simply enter your account details in the sign-in window that appears and complete the login process. Make sure you're signing into the correct YouTube account, especially if you manage more than one channel. Once you've signed in successfully, DaVinci Resolve will be connected to your YouTube account, which makes it easier to export and upload your videos more efficiently in future projects. If the sign-in window doesn't appear right away, give it a second to load and make sure your internet connection is working properly. Also, if your browser or system blocks pop-up windows, that can sometimes interfere with the login screen, so keep that in mind if nothing seems to happen after clicking the sign-in button. And that's all you need to do. Go to the top right, open Quick Export, change the preset to YouTube, click Sign into YouTube, and then log in with your account details. It's a very quick setup, and once it's done, you'll be ready to streamline your upload process directly from DaVinci Resolve.